Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Mobirise page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to update your page title and meta description and how to write them properly so both search engines and visitors clearly understand what your page is about. First, log into Mobirise using your account so you can access your projects. Once you're inside, open the website project you want to optimize from the dashboard. This ensures that you are working on the correct site and the correct page. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the menu, select Pages. You will now see a list of all the pages in your project. Find the page you want to optimize and click the small gear icon next to its name. This opens the Page Settings panel, where you can control important SEO information used by search engines. Inside the settings, locate the page title and page description fields. These two elements are the foundation of on-page SEO. The page title is what appears as the main clickable headline in search results and also in the Browser tab. Keep it clear, simple, and human-friendly. Try to include your main keyword near the beginning while keeping the title natural and easy to read. A length of around 50 to 60 characters works well, but clarity always comes first. Make sure every page on your website has a unique title. Now, write your page description. This is the short summary that appears under the title in search results. In 1 or 2 sentences, explain what the page is about and why visitors should care. Keep it natural, helpful, and benefit-focused. A range of about 150 to 160 characters is ideal, but the goal is to create a clear and compelling message. Avoid keyword stuffing, excessive punctuation, or using all capital letters. Your description should accurately reflect the content of your page so visitors know exactly what to expect. When you're satisfied, close the settings panel. Mobirise automatically applies your changes, helping search engines better understand your content and improving how your page appears in search results. And that's it. You've successfully optimized your Mobirise page title and description. Thanks for watching, and happy building!